Good morning, dear children. Today I will explain you the whole lesson in brief. Yes, so it is our lesson number 4, Shivaji's childhood, part 1 and 2, the brief explanation. When Shahaji Raje had stopped working for Adil Shah was quite angry. He sent a huge army to Pune and completely destroyed Pune because it was Shahaji Raje's Jagir. Therefore, Shahaji Raje found himself between the devil and the deep sea, that is, in great trouble. Birth of Shivaji. Jijabai was going to have a baby soon, that is, she was pregnant. And the great question which worried Shahaji Raje was to keep Jijabai in a safe place. There was war everywhere all the time, and she needed to be somewhere peaceful and quiet. Now, Shahaji Raje found a fort. Which fort, children? Yes, it was a strong fort, Shivneri. It was in Junnar district, Junnar in Pune district. It is the oldest cities of India. Now, he kept Jijabai safe there, and it was in charge of Vijayaraj. Here comes the day. On this auspicious day on 19 February 1630, remember this date, children. Jijabai gave birth to a son, and he was named Shivaji. Why he was named Shivaji? As the child was born on the fort Shivneri. Due to goddess Shivai, he was named Shivaji. Now, Shivaji's childhood. Even after so much unsettled conditions during Shivaji's childhood, Jijabai did not neglect Shivaji's education. She told stories of Rama and Krishna, Bhim, Abhimanyu, and even recited beautiful devotional songs of great people. So that on growing up, Shivaji felt he would also display valor like them. Now, the children of Maulas used to play with Shivaji very interestingly and pass their time by imitating sounds of the birds, animals, and also made lovely things out of earthen clay. They also played many games like hide and seek, ball or top, etc. Thus, they used to also eat a simple meal of onion and bhakri. Shivaji thus enjoyed their company. Shahaji Raje towards Mughals. Shahaji returns to Nizam Shahi. No peace of mind was there. Killing of Lakhuji Jadhav was in the court. Now Shahaji left Nizam Shahi and joined the Mughals. Shah Jahan, the Mughal emperor, made Shahaji Sardar at his court. Here Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah. Thus, Shahaji Raje left the services of Mughals and decided to teach them a lesson. Founding of a new Nizam Shahi. Shahaji Raje established new kingdom which include the territory between river Godavari and Neera. Shahaji Raje protected his new state. Adil Shah was with him in these efforts. But later he signed a treaty of friendship with Mughals against Shahaji Raje. In 1636, Shahaji Raje signed a treaty of peace with Mughals as it was too tough. Now, Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. The territory was divided by Mughals and Adil Shah among themselves. Shahaji Raje Jagir of Pune and Supe lay within Adil Shah's share. Shahaji Raje joined Adil Shah's services and assigned the task of conquering the territories in Karnataka. After Shahaji Raje's departure to Karnataka, Jijabai and Shivaji also joined him there. They got peace when they arrived there. At last, Adil Shah awarded him the Jagir of Bangalore. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka, where Shahaji Raje made the city of Bangalore its headquarters and managed all the work from there. So children, I end up this session and lesson in brief. I hope you all understood. Now you have to write the notes neatly in your classwork book and draw neat lines after each question and answer. Thank you.